Hello YouTube! Welcome to a new episode of Poku Wagis in Suriname. This year I'm starting off with my own car, the Toyota Crown, and this will be my setup. This is my front door. This is the DS18 Pro Neo 6R. It's the Neo series 6.5-inch speaker. This is like a adapter plate. Still need to spray it. This is in all the 4 doors of the Crown. Next up, this is the radio I'm using. I just installed this week, like 2 days ago. It's the Pioneer it's the 80 PRS. Back here I have 3 RCA cables going to the back. Somewhere in here I'm using the JFA K1200 long distance remote. I'm playing my setup with a USB stick, the Patriot. This is my rear door. Same speakers. And alright, I forgot, this is also in all the 4 doors. This is the DS18 PRO-TW420. Here's my filthy sticker. So this is a sedan. Most of the parts I use sound deadening, Pipeman's installation solutions. This is my setup. The DS18 Hooligan 3.5K. This is for my sub. This is the DS18 EXL-SQ1200.2. This I'm playing for the super bullets, the tweeters. My fuse distribution block, a relay for the remote cables. This is the DS18 FRX2.5K. It's 2500 watts. This I'm playing on all the 4 door speakers, the mid speakers. This is my DS18 battery. I used to have a doubled-in radio, and with the doubled-in radio I was using this Clarion crossover, but since I stepped over to the 80 PRS, I'm not using this anymore. It's the cable. It's like plain and simple. I'm going to the sub. This is the DS18 EXL-XXB12 dual 2 ohm, wired to 1 ohm, going to the Hooligan. So that was it for my installation. Hope you guys like it. It's a very small installation. And I forgot, this wire comes from the front alternator to charge the battery. I'm still running on the stock Toyota Crown alternator, and yeah, that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. This was S2Video personal car.